Hi everyone. If you are a Zerodha Kite user, then I have a really cool and useful extension for you. It's called Watchlist Pro for Zerodha Kite. It's a Chrome extension that brings TradingView like Watchlist to your Kite account. It has got some really useful features. I'll walk you through the features as well as how to use it in this video. So let's get started. First, you need to download the extension. You can go to the Watchlist Pro website link given in the description and click on this download extension button. It'll take you to the Chrome web store, or you can directly come to the Chrome web store and search for Watchlist Pro for Zerodha Kite. Now click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. The extension will be added. Now let's pin the extension for easy access. I'll click on this icon and click on the pin icon, and that extension is pinned. Now that the extension is installed, you have to log in into your Kite account. As you can see here, I'm already logged in. Now what you need to do is open the chart in the pop-out mode. So you can do is click on these three dots and click on the pop-out icon here. This will open the chart in the new tab. Once the chart is opened, click on the Watchlist Pro extension icon. You'll open the watch list on the right hand side. Here you will see an empty default watch list. So let's add some stocks here. I'll click on this add symbol icon and type HDFC Bank. As you can see, I'm getting options for NSE and BSE. So Watchlist Pro supports both the exchanges. So you can click on HDFC Bank here. It'll add you to the list. Let's add one more. So let's add TCS. And let's add one more called, say, Axis Bank. Okay, so now the stocks are added here. When you click on HDFC Bank, it'll open the chart of the HDFC Bank on the left hand side. When you click on TCS, it'll open the TCS chart. When you click on the next stock, it'll open the Axis Bank chart here. So this is how you can add stocks to your watch list. Now let's create a new watch list. Click on this default drop down here. You'll see a couple of options. We'll click on create new watch list and let's name our watch list Nifty 50 and click on create. So we create an empty Nifty 50 watch list. As you know, right, there are 50 stocks in Nifty 50 index, but you're not going to add them manually. We also have an option to import the symbols. So what you can do is go to the Watchlist Pro website, click on pre-made watch list. You scroll down a bit. You will see all the pre-made watch lists available on the website. Click on Nifty 50. In a new tab, it will open all the stocks of the Nifty 50. Select all and click copy. Once you have copied the stocks, come back to your Watchlist Pro watch list. Click on import symbols. Here you can paste up to 1000 symbols. So I'm pasting the symbols that I copied from the website and click on add to watch list. So it has added all the Nifty 50 symbols here. So in a watch list, you can add up to 1000 symbols. Now that the symbols are added, I'll click on the first stock, Adani Enterprise. I'll click on the other one. So as of now, you see I'm clicking on the stocks and seeing the chart on the left hand side. But what I can also do is click on or press the down arrow key to go to the next stock. So from my keyboard, I'm pressing the down arrow key, and as you can see, I'm going to the next stock. Similarly, you can press arrow up key to go to the previous stock. And the same works with space as well. So if you press space, it'll go to the next stock, and if you press shift space, it'll go up. So this is how you can navigate through the list and quickly go through all the stocks that you have in your watch list. Now let's create one more watch list. I'll go on to this Nifty 50 drop down, click on create new watch list, and I'll name it buyable. I'll go back to my Nifty 50 watch list. So now what you can do is you can click on the plus icon and you can add it to your different watch list. Let's say you like this stock and you want to move it to the buyable list. You can click on this add watch list button and click on buyable. So this stock would be added to the buyable watch list. Let's add a couple of more stocks randomly for now. So I'll now also add this one to the buyable list. And if you go back to your buyable list, you'll see you'll have all the stocks which you added from the Nifty 50 to the buyable visible here. You also have an option to rename your watch list. So let's say you want to rename this watch list to something else, you can do that. So now let's create one more watch list. I'll go back to the default watch list, click on create new watch list. And let's say this time I'll name it next 50. I've added all the 50 stocks here. So now let's say as you're going through the list and you want for this stock to be flagged, right? As in you want to tag this stock, what you can do is click on this tag symbol and you have option to select 5 colors from the list. So let's say I select blue. So this symbol is tagged blue now. I like the stock. I want to give it a green tag. And let's say I want to give it a red tag. I can do that. Let's do one more. I'll give it a yellow, and to Canada Bank, I'll give a purple tag. Now, if you click on the Nifty Next 50 drop down here, you see these tags here. So all the stocks that you have already tagged from your watch list would appear here. So let's say if you select red here, tag Berger paint as red, so it's there. Similarly, if I let's say go to purple, the Canada Bank stock is here. So there are 5 color tags available to choose from. So I'll go back to my next 50 list. The same tagging can be done through the keyboard as well. So let's say if you want to tag this stock as red, you can simply press R and the stock would be red tagged. Same goes for the other colors as well. So if I want to tag it blue, I'll press B. If I tag it purple, I'll press the next stock, I'll press P for the purple. You can also untag the symbols by pressing the Z key. I'm pressing Z, and as you can see, the purple tag has been removed. And similarly, you can do this by clicking on the flag icon. The tag would be removed, and if you click again, you can re-tag it to a different color if you want. So let's say I'll select a yellow here. All these keyboard shortcuts you can find if you click on this keyboard shortcuts icon here. It would list all the shortcuts that are available. So now let's talk about the settings menu here. You can switch to a light theme if you prefer. So this is how the light theme looks like. I'll switch it back to the dark theme to match the kites theme. And next we have backup and restore. Since this extension does not store your data anywhere in cloud or on any servers, the data stays in your laptop or PC. If you want to have the same watch list on a different computer, you can take a backup and then restore them later as well. You also have an option to update the symbols. I'll click on update symbols. So Watchlist Pro comes with all the listed stocks on NSE and PSE as of 16th of September. And if you want to add the newly listed symbols to your watch list, what you'll have to do is update symbol. So it will internally update its dataset, and then you can add and import the symbols. So I'll click on update. It will take some time and it's done. So now you can add the newly listed stocks in your watch list. And in about, we have information about the extension. You can visit the website to learn more about the extension. And if you have any queries or support needed, you can drop a mail to this email ID. And if you're liking this extension, please share it with your friends and family and consider dropping a review on the Chrome App Store. So with this, I'll end the video. I'll add the extension link in the description to try it out and let me know your feedback. If you have any queries or any suggestions, drop me a mail. Thank you, everyone.